Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria, or you can call me simply Vicky, and today I have a treat for you. So before we get into it, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you have not already. Again, it is free. What you waiting for? And if you would like to know whenever I post a video, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Now, the main thing that a lot of us females have been struggling with right now is our nails, other than our eyebrows. Because I know I was having a wolf moment a couple of times, but I figured out how to use a tweezer and not like cut off half my eyebrows. But nails have been kind of the thing where, yeah, there's nail brands out there. You can get something pretty simple. You can glue on nails yourself, things like that. But I'm talking about like salon quality nails. Like, I miss that. I miss going to the nail salon and just getting a bomb like design done, and everybody's like, "Oh girl, who did your nails?" "Oh, I went to XYZ." Well, today I am actually really excited to show you guys this brand. It is called Kouture Nails, and it looks like this, and this came with the nails. I didn't take it out yet because I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to open it up with you guys. So it's by Kouture. The company is called Kouture Nails, but the nail tech, her name is Allison Wright. So this is it here. This is the card. And she's also on Instagram. She's on Instagram, and she has a YouTube channel, which I will link everything in the description box for you. But I know you guys are really excited about the nails that I got. You guys, look at this. Look at that. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? So anyways, guys, I've been super excited to actually put these on. So I'm not going to waste any time. I want to get right to it.
Okay, you guys, I just wanted to show you what you're probably used to getting when you buy like a nail kit and what she actually gives you. Now, one thing you have to do is measure your nails. So she actually has on her website a size kit printout, which is 99 cents. You can also go to her Instagram page and she actually shows you how to measure your nails. You are only going to get 10 nails. So this is not like, the ones that you can order off of Amazon. You get 100 nails and then pray to God one of them fits you. No, you should measure your nails before you order, because I thought I was a small, and I actually ended up being an extra small once I measured my nails, which I'm happy that I did, because the small would have been way too big. So this fit perfectly. They're gorgeous. I am absolutely obsessed with these nails.
You guys, look. Do you see that? Like, these are super dope. Look at that. Anyways, I cannot wait. First of all, I am praying to the heavens that there's a mosquito. Wait a second. I am praying that these nails stay on for at least, I'm hoping for at least like 2 weeks. I'm hoping for at least 2 weeks, because usually when you go get your nails done, in about 2 weeks, you probably will push it for the 3. But you normally will get like a filling. So I'm hoping that they last that long, because these are so dope, you guys. And I want to like wear them the whole time. I'm good at that. I'm feeling myself, you guys, because now my nails is popping, because my nails is matching my wash and go. Okay. This is my first time using this gel that I used today. So my wash and go is popping. My nails is popping. And now, guess what your girl is about to do? She's about to put her hair up in a ponytail, take this makeup off, do a little meditation, and I'm going to bed. So hopefully you guys loved this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already, and if no one told you already, I love you, my brothers and sisters, and I will catch you guys in another video.